Welcome back to our Watershed Walk series. This week, I'm taking you with me as I go exploring some waterfalls within our watershed. The first waterfall I decided to visit was Peekaboo Falls, which is located in Norton and is part of the Lower Kennebecasis sub-watershed. It was a bit of a journey getting to the falls in slippery winter conditions, but once I arrived, the view was definitely worth it. There is something so magical about waterfalls in the wintertime. The snow and ice formations that cling to the sides of the falls are fascinating to look at, and the rushing water is mesmerizing yet calming. The beauty of nature never fails to amaze. The next stop on my waterfall adventure was Trout Creek Falls, located in Waterford near Poley Mountain. This waterfall is part of the Trout Creek sub-watershed. This site is really interesting because the falls flow down a narrow channel carved out by the water over time. The falls have also created several rounded deep pools that would be great for taking a dip in during the summertime. This is definitely a site I will be visiting again once the weather warms up. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Watershed Walk. Thank you to all of our partners that help make the work we do at the KWRC possible. Make sure to follow us on social media so you can stay up to date on our projects, volunteer opportunities, and so much more. We'll see you next time.